Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Callie. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications and give us a huge thumbs up. Today we will be making tasty confetti no-bake dessert kit. The things that you will need are 1.5 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're gonna do that in this video. And then the pack also comes with your rainbow sprinkles. This is gonna be your crust for the no dessert, the no bake. So, and then you have the filling mix. Okay, so we're gonna add the crust mix into this bowl. This bowl, my bad. Make sure you have adult supervision for the mixer. So I'm gonna pour the crust mix in. Then I'm gonna put the melted butter in. How many minutes, Mom? 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so the melted butter is mixed. Make sure you use hot pads. So I'm just pouring it in with hot pads. Is that good, Mom? Is that all of it? Okay. Now you're gonna put the sugar in and go like that. Then you're gonna hand mix it with a spatula. So you're gonna keep mixing it. Okay, then you're gonna mix it thoroughly, as I was saying. So you're gonna keep mixing until well combined. Okay, so now you're gonna pour it into your pan with parchment paper. Sorry now that I'm spilling everything. Then with the, my family's gonna eat anyway, so who cares if I touch it? We share games. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread it out with a spatula like this. And I think we still have enough, so I can spread it in this whole pan. Let's hope we do. Now you're gonna put that to the side. Then what you're gonna do in a large size mixing bowl, you're gonna, okay, you're gonna put step 2, the filling mix. So you're gonna pour the mix into the bowl. Then you're gonna put your 1.5 cup of cold milk in here. So now my mom's gonna help me turn on the beer, which we're gonna put in here and then mix like you would do for a cake. And after you do it for 30 seconds, you're gonna do it for 3 minutes. You're gonna let the bowl as well. Now we gotta speed it up to a medium speed. 3 minutes. Okay, my mom helped me mix it for 3 minutes. So it's definitely thicker. So I'm gonna put the hand mixer over here. Now you're gonna put the sprinkles in, but leave 1 tablespoon left of sprinkles for the top. So you're just gonna pour the rest in, and then you're gonna hand mix it. Okay, that frosting's definitely good. I'm gonna pour your filling mix, all of it, Mom. So you're gonna pour all of your filling mix onto your baking thing where your crust is. You refrigerate this for 1 hour. I think I got it smooth enough. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for, put the sprinkles on top before you put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So I'm gonna put all of them. I like just sprinkling them instead of just like dumping them and have to spreading them out. So you guys should do that as well. You can do whatever technique you want. Come on. You fill me the ingredients. Now we're back. It's been 1 hour, so let's get it out of the fridge. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I'm not gonna drop this thing because this thing is precious. Oh my god. So now I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, the crust actually hurting. I'm just trying a little piece because I want you guys to taste it. Let's see if I like it and then we'll see if you guys like it. Oh no, the crust is still at the bottom. See, I told you needed to help me, Mother. There. There's that crust piece. Okay. That's actually really good. Now for the real test. It's not just like icing. I need to that crust. Crusty cream. There we go. Seriously, I keep dropping things. Let's see the crust. Yeah. This stuff looks really good. The crust, I would say it's pretty good. It tastes like a brown sugar. The icing, I would give that a thumbs up, but like, it's really good. Thanks again for watching Cooking with Callie. Peace.